Hi friends, welcome back to the channel and welcome back to a yet another video. This is going to be a quick makeup tutorial for the daytime Diwali day. Hopefully you people will enjoy today's video. If you people do, don't forget to give this video a big fat thumbs up. Also don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you people haven't already. And if you recreate this makeup look for any festivities, do share with me a photograph. Now let's get started. So as it is a daytime makeup look, now a sunscreen is a must-have. As you guys know me, I love applying my sunscreen from Neutrogena, so here I am doing the same. Then I am using Olay's moisturizer, which is my favorite. It is the day cream. Now I'm switching over to makeup, for which I am applying my Maybelline's Fit Me foundation. I've dotted it all over my face and now I'm taking a flat top brush. This type of brush helps you blend everything flawlessly in terms of your base. So I'm just taking a flat top brush and just blending everything evenly. Just try to make sure that your foundation is exactly of your skin shade and rest everything will melt into place. Post applying my foundation, it's time for concealer. I'm just going to go ahead and correct the under eye area, and for that I have simply applied the concealer to the under eye area and using the concealer blending brush to blend everything easily. The concealer was from Wet n Wild and as you people know, I love it. It just blends really well. Now it's time for setting everything together and I am using the HD setting powder from LA Girl, and I'm just setting everything with the help of this powder brush, just making sure that everything is flawless. Now let's step ahead towards the contouring section and I'm using the Pro HD from LA Girl, the same compact powder, just 2 shades darker, and I am just trying to sculpt the regular areas of my face so as to make sure that I have some structure to this round face of mine. Now I'm going to go ahead and grab this palette from Freedom Pro and I'm going to apply a highlighter. Now I completely forgot how pigmented, like literally how pigmented this highlighter is, and now my highlighter is like waving to the astronauts on the moon. So I'm just going to tone it down with the help of blusher. Don't worry about that, it's just going to fall into place. Give me a second. So over here you can see I'm just using a lighter shade of blusher and making sure that everything is blended in together. Place the blusher, now blending the highlighter and the contour together with the help of my blusher, and here you can see the highlighter has started falling into place. Now I'm going to go ahead and fill my brows. For that I have used the Balm Meet Matte Nude palette and I have used the deeper brown shade of it. It's like my holy grail product when it comes up to filling up my brows, and it's the regular drill, starting from center, heading towards the tail end, and at the last filling the front portion of the brows with whatever left on the brush. Next, it's time for the eyes. I am using the Lakme Absolutes eyeshadow palette. This is a 6 quad palette, an amazing one, and I am using the brown shade to create the crease area, like intensify the crease area. I needed it to be a little bit more pigmented than I normally do because I was keeping my lips a little bit subdued, so I wanted the eyes to be like pop. So that's what I'm doing at the moment. Now I'm taking this deep cranberry shade and I'm going to create my outer V. This palette is amazing if you want to keep low budgeted eyeshadow palette in your vanity. This is an amazing choice, you can try it. Now I'm just simply going ahead and blending both the shades together, and after that I am going to apply the lid shade, which is the red and the orange shades combination. I have taken both the shades on my brush and I'm just going to simply drag it all over my eyelid, leaving the inner corner and inner 1/3 of the eye, and I'm just making sure that the outer V is blended with the rest of the shades. I just wanted, as I mentioned earlier, my eyes to pop out because my lip is going to be neutral, and this highlighter matched to the dot with the outfit that I was wearing, so I just decided that I'll use this in my inner corner as well. So I have highlighted my inner corner in silver. Usually I don't do that, it doesn't complements that well, but because of the outfit I thought I should give it a try. Plus everything was quite neutral since past 5 days, so I thought it would be better for the last makeup look to be a little bit bam sort of thingy. and hopefully you people might have liked it. Now I am lining my eyes, and for that I have used the Eba Halal's kohl pencil, and it's just an amazing kohl pencil, easy to glide on and stuff like that, all that good jazz. I've used it multiple times during my videos, so nothing new to tell. Now I'm using the mascara. This is my favorite mascara, and I'm using the Whoosh side of this mascara. This one is by Color Bar, and I don't use false eyelashes, so mascara is all that I have to give my lashes that requisite oomph which I can give, however, the best way possible. Now I'm going to switch over towards my lips. The lipstick that I was going to use is quite my MLBB shade. I didn't wanted it to be that subdued, so I did use this Hollywood lip liner from Lakme underneath the lipstick to give it a little bit more of pigmentation, if you know what I mean. Now this lip liner independently looks really very pretty, so you can leave it right over here, or you can top it up with the lipstick. I'm using the lip crayon from Nykaa. Personally, I love using lip crayons. They are very comfortable, easy to glide, and they have an extreme longevity of period, so that I don't have to worry about touch-ups all the time. And with the completion of lipstick, the makeup look is going to be entirely completed. I just need to go ahead and accessorize, but before doing that I'm just going to make sure that everything is blended in together. So I'm just using my setting powder, like a very teeny bit of it, and applying it all over my face to blend everything perfectly. Now my outfit is on. You must have seen the clipping in the beginning. I'm wearing some bangles, bindi, and sindoor and earrings, and with that, opening up my hair a little bit, combing them a little bit, and I'm absolutely ready for the festivity. Hopefully you people might have enjoyed today's video. If you people did, don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you guys in my next one. Till then, just stay blessed. Bye bye.